Welcome back everyone. Let's see how to calculate the variance and the standard deviation in a population and the sample. So we have this small data set. Let's first consider this data set as a population. Let's say the population consists of only 10 values from 34 to 18. So first we need to find the total sum of these values, and to do that you simply need to come here and type equal sum and select all the values from the first one to the last one, click enter, and you will get the sum of these values. N equal 10, we said that we have 10 values in this population, and to get the mean you need to divide the sum by the total number of the values. We need now to find the variance, so we need to subtract the mean, which is 48 from each value. So 34 minus 48 equal minus 14. Square it, 196. And the second one here, 56 minus 48 equal 8. Square it, you'll get 64, and so on. And finally we get the sum of the squared values. And to find the variance, you need to divide this value by n, which is 10 here because this is a population, and you will get the variance here, 258.667. And the square root of the variance is the standard deviation, which is 16.08. And let's say now this is not a population. Let's say this is a sample. So we need to find the standard deviation for the sample. The only change here is divide this number here by n minus 1, which is 9. And you will get the standard deviation for the sample. And to find the mean and standard deviation directly using Excel functions, type equal, and if you want to find the mean, you just need to type AV for average, select average, double click, and select the values. So from the first to the last one here, and click enter. And we got here the mean. Let's say you want to find the standard deviation for a population. Click here, type equal, type S, T, and you got two options, .P for population and .S for sample. If you want to find for population, select the first one and go again and select all the data. Click enter, and here we go. We have here the standard deviation for the population. And for the sample, type equal ST, then this time select SDiv for sample. S, double click, select the same range, and enter, and this time we got 16.08. So the first one, the standard deviation, if we consider this as a population, and the second one is for the sample if you consider this as a sample.